Excuse me. Hello.
Hello.
I walk on this street every day. I always see you here. I always wonder, why are you in this situation?
Oh, you notice me?
Yes, I see you sit here in the cold. I feel a little sad. Can I talk to you for a minute?
Okay, yes.
My name is Tom. What is your name?
My name is Anna.
Nice to meet you, Anna. How old are you?
I am 22.
You are very young. Why do you live on the street?
It is a long story.
I have time. Please tell me, if you want.
Okay. 2 years ago, my life was normal. I lived with my mother in a small apartment. I had a job in a cafe. I cleaned tables and washed cups.
That sounds good.
Yes, but then my mother got very sick. She needed medicine and hospital. I paid for everything. I used all my money.
That is hard.
After 6 months, my mother died. I was alone. I had no money for the rent. The landlord said I must leave.
I am sorry, Anna.
Thank you. Then I lost my job at the cafe. The boss said I was late many times because I visited my mother in the hospital.
So you had no home and no job?
Yes. First, I stayed with a friend, but after 2 months, her boyfriend said I must go. I had nowhere to sleep.
And now you sleep on the street?
Yes. Sometimes I sleep in the park, sometimes near the train station. It is cold and dangerous.
Do you eat every day?
Not always. Some people give me bread or fruit. Sometimes I find food in the bins behind the supermarket.
That is very difficult. Do you have family?
No, my father left when I was a child. I have no brothers or sisters, only my mother, and now she is gone.
Do you want to work again?
Yes, of course. I want a normal life. I want a small room and a simple job, but it is not easy. People look at me and think I am dirty or crazy.
I do not think that. You speak well. You are kind.
Thank you, Tom. You are the first person who really asks me about my life.
I walk past you many times. Today I decided to stop and talk.
Why today?
Because the weather is cold and you look tired. I want to help a little.
You are kind.
Listen, Anna, would you like to have a coffee with me? Just a warm drink and a short talk. I want to know you better.
Coffee? Now?
Yes, there is a small cafe 2 streets from here. It is quiet and warm. I can buy you a coffee and a sandwich.
I look dirty.
No problem. The cafe is simple. People there are friendly. You can wash your hands.
Okay, yes, I would like that. Thank you.
Great. Let's go together.
Tom, why are you helping me?
Because every person has a story, and sometimes one small talk can change a day.
You are a good man.
Come on, let's walk. The coffee is waiting. Here we are. This is the cafe. Please, sit down.
Thank you, Tom. It is warm here. It feels nice.
Yes. What would you like to drink? Coffee, tea, or hot chocolate?
Hot chocolate, please. And maybe a sandwich? I am a little hungry.
Of course. Waiter, 1 hot chocolate, 1 coffee, and 2 sandwiches, please.
You are very kind. I don't know how to thank you.
It's okay. You don't need to thank me. I just want to help.
The last months were very hard for me. Sometimes I felt completely alone.
I understand. But today is different. You are not alone now.
Can I ask you something? Why do you care about me?
Because I believe every person deserves a second chance. And you were young. You still have time to change your life.
I want that. I want a job and a small room. I want to feel safe again.
What kind of job do you like?
I like working in a cafe or a restaurant. I know how to clean, serve, and be polite with people.
That is good. Maybe I can help you find something. I know a few places in the city.
Really? That would be wonderful.
Yes. First, you need clean clothes and a place to sleep for some days. I can talk to a friend. She helps people in difficult situations.
You would do that for me?
Yes, but only if you want. I will not force you.
I want. I really want to try again.
Good. Let's eat first. After that, we can talk more about the next steps.
Okay, this sandwich is delicious. I almost forgot how good warm food tastes.
I'm happy you like it. Take your time. There is no hurry today.
Tom, thank you for stopping on the street this morning.
You're welcome, Anna. Sometimes a simple conversation can start something better.
I hope so. Today I feel a little hope again.
That's a good start. Now, drink your hot chocolate before it gets cold. Anna, can I tell you something about my life?
Yes, of course. I want to know more about you.
Okay. I am 41 years old. I work in an office. I help companies with their money and papers.
That sounds important.
It is a normal job. I start at 9 and finish at 6. Sometimes I work from home.
Do you live alone?
Yes, I live in a small apartment near the park. It is quiet. I have a cat. His name is Max.
A cat. That is nice.
Yes, Max is my only company most days.
What about your family?
I am divorced. My marriage ended 3 years ago. My ex-wife and I wanted different things. Now we don't talk much.
I am sorry.
It's okay. It was hard at the beginning, but now I feel better. We didn't have children.
Do you have parents or brothers?
My mother is still alive. She lives in another city. I visit her every 2 months. My father died 5 years ago. I have one sister. She is married and has 2 children.
So you are an uncle?
Yes, I like being an uncle. The children are funny.
What do you do in your free time?
I like walking in the park, reading books, and cooking simple food. On weekends, I sometimes go to the cinema alone.
You also walk a lot on the street where I sit.
Yes, that is how I saw you many times.
I am happy you stopped to talk.
Me too. Talking to you today made me feel useful.
You helped me a lot already.
Anna, can I ask you something?
Yes?
Can I see you again? Maybe tomorrow or the day after? I can bring some clean clothes and we can talk more about finding a job for you.
You really want to see me again?
Yes, I would like that. Only if you also want.
I want. Thank you, Tom.
Good. Then we will meet again soon.
I will wait for you.